Welcome to the third lesson in the CorelDraw beginner series. Now in this lesson, we're going to do some practical. So we're going to remake these logos. I'm going to start off with the _del logo, and then I'll leave you this as an exercise so that you can try it out later. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to pick the ellipsis tool, come over here, and then if you want to make a circle, you hold down the Control key and then you click and drag out, and as you can see, it's a perfect circle. There we go. So I'll go back to the pick tool, move this over here, reduce its size a little bit, and that looks good. Now with it selected, I'll come over here and increase its outline, its width. So click on that, and that looks perfect. Then the next thing I want to do is to change the color, the outline color. So remember what I said, if you want to change the outline color, you right click on the color palette. So this is the color I want. So I'll come and right click on it, and as you can see, the color has changed. Now moving away from that, I'll come take the text tool. Now I want to type in this word. So as you can see, my cursor has changed. So I'll click on in here and then type in _del with caps lock on. I'll type in _del. Now I'm going to increase that a little bit, and then I'm going to select it, come over here and choose a different font. This is the one I've selected, and then you can increase its size. So I can come here again, select the text, come here, a little bit more. No, we'll work with 48. Then come take the pick tool, check it, and then place it over here. Now one thing, as you can see, it's supposed to almost fit, so I'll increase it a little bit. And then now what I'll do is I'll change its color. So with it selected, I'm going to come here and left click on this color, and as you can see, the color has changed. Now if you notice, the E over here, it's a bit slanted, so I have to pick the E here slanted. So what I'll do is I'll move this back over here. Now if you want to separate these, there's a way that Corel allows you to separate the text. So all you have to do is select it, then come to Object, then Break Artistic Text, click on that, and what that will do, it will separate this text, so it will operate as an object. So I'll have E as an object, so I can click here, and then I can come here and rotate it like so. Perfect. Then I'll select all of them, come back again to Object, then Group. So I'll select Group, and now they are grouped, and as you can see, now it's back to the way it was. Then I can click here, select it, then drag it here, you center it. You can use your arrow keys to move it into the right position that you want it to. Now as you can see, I've come up with the _del logo. So I'll come here again, just minimize that a little bit, move it down using my arrow keys. And that looks perfect. Now for your assignment, I'll like for you to remake this logo. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is come up with this shape and then the text inside. It's very, very simple, and I'll see you in the next class.